Another road trip.
We're going to drop off eggs for our AI testing.
Our state vet is actually pretty local to us. It's, what you think, 50 miles?
About 50 miles.
Yeah, about 50 miles from where we live. So instead of mailing the eggs, we drive them down. So we are headed to the state vet in Virginia to do our AI testing for our NPIP. The Harrisonburg Regional Laboratory, Virginia Department of Agriculture. That's where we're going. It's very easy to do your AI testing. They can do it through the eggs. You need to submit 30. We're taking 42. We always take extras just in case something happens, one breaks or something. We have 30 more miles to go. Look, coming. Turkey truck.
This is why we grow our own food.
That's it. That's why we grow our own food. You know you're in farm country. Right there. Getting closer. Here we are. We are arriving. Regional Laboratory and Office of VDAX. Oh, you didn't take the egg drop-off spot. Here's your paperwork. Take this in here. We're also dropping off our Iowa import permit application, which needs to be renewed. Take these, drop them off. In about a week we'll have the results back. We've always been negative so far, so cross your fingers.